You ever hear your grandmother say, you woulda, shoulda, coulda? Well, now you're gonna hear Coach Kim say, you've got 5 exercises that seniors should be doing every day. So these are gonna be standing exercises. You're gonna love each and every one of them. It's gonna help you with everyday movement. So let's get ready. And remember to always check with your physician before starting an exercise program. So if there's one exercise that I should say we all should do every single day, it's gonna be the #1 exercise out of 5 right here, and it's called a squat. So some of you might have some cranky knees. I'm gonna show you some variations. But what I'm gonna have you do is go ahead and put a nice sturdy chair behind you. I'd like your feet shoulder width and your toes facing forward. Your head is forward right up here. And you know why I love the squat? I'll just tell you real quick. Because we do it every single day. We sit down, we stand up, we go on the potty, we stand up, we're in and out. We're always gonna be using squat motions until you're at least 110 years old. So let's practice them now. So feet shoulder width, toes facing forward, use your hands for counterbalance. I want your butt to go ahead and sit on that chair and then stand all the way back up. So what I don't want you to do is have those knees come over the toes. So this is what I don't want it to look like, where your knees are over and then your butt's back, okay? So that's why I have the chair. It's not a have to, but it's a great teaching tool for squats. So get ready, we're gonna be doing 5 exercises, 30 seconds each, and we're gonna go ahead and do 1 to 3 rounds is what I recommend. So if you're a beginner, start with 1 round. Also a partial squat, so go partial down and then come back up. If you have cranky knees, arthritic knees, something's bothering you, just do what you can. You can always hold on to a countertop or a wall, but just go partial squat and then come up. So the deeper you go, the harder it is, but it is more intense on the knees. So let's go ahead and get ready. 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Pick the squat that works for you. You can go down, let your butt tap, come up. And if you want to work those buns, give it a nice little squeeze at the top. Squeeze both cheeks with equal attention. And you know the cheeks I'm talking about. So get that butt back, squeeze the cheeks. And you don't have to use your hands. I like to use them, helps with balance a little bit. So again, partial squat here to here. You have 10 more seconds. We got the timer going. A full squat, just go down, all the way up. It's going to strengthen all the legs, the quads, the hamstrings at the back of the legs. In 3, 2, 1. Very good. That was a great functional movement. Again, you'll be using this until you're 110 years old. So practice it every single day. You can even do 30 seconds or 10 reps. Do what works for you there. Second exercise, balance. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to show you this exercise and I'm going to give you something you could do every day when you're brushing your teeth. So you brush your teeth in the morning. Let's say you brush your teeth at night. Each time you're brushing your teeth, what I want you to do is stand. You can be brushing your teeth. Hold on to something to start. But what I'd like you to do is slowly kind of let go a little bit, or maybe just put 2 fingers on your chair or your countertop while you're brushing away. So do this in the morning. Start with something simple like 10 seconds and then work up to doing 30 seconds. Okay, so just like this, standing on 1 foot, brushing your teeth, makes it a little harder because you're moving. So it's just an idea. And then at nighttime, guess what? Do it again. So I suggest 10 to 30 seconds on each leg, just like that. Yep, and let your eyes fix on something, it does help. Okay, so this is the second exercise. 10 to 30 seconds, balance on 1 foot with each, and just have the wall or the countertop near you. This third exercise is a basic step up. Again, another functional movement that's gonna help you with everyday movements. Think about how many times we're stepping up and down on things. When you go out to restaurants, you gotta step up. So look around your house, maybe your porch, maybe some of you have a little staircase, or maybe you have a little step stool out in the garage. If you could go gather that, and this one I happen to be using, Vive Health does sell this as well, and it's nice is it has the handle in case you need a little extra help here. So do what works for you. If you need to hold on to a wall, a counter, even if you have this tool right here. But I'm gonna step all the way up with 1 foot, right foot. I'm gonna step up with my left foot, then I'm gonna step back down with my right foot. So whatever foot you step up with, that's the foot you're gonna step up with. So I'm gonna go right foot lead, and then at 15 seconds, we'll switch and do the left foot lead. So again, the higher the step, the harder, the lower the step, the easier. So pick what works for you. Great functional movement. It's gonna help you with balance. It's gonna help you with everyday movement, hip flexion. I promise you, it's good stuff. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Right foot up, right foot down. Good. Up, up, down, down. Now some of you are going, hey, this reminds me of aerobics class way back in the 80s. Yes, I used to teach that stuff, but you can lift the arms up. You want to get some shoulders involved. Up, up, good. Change your lead foot, or if you can keep it simple, just put your hands on your hips. Okay, so again, hands above the head, getting more movements, getting the heart rate going a little bit more. I personally like it better, but if it's messing with your balance, don't worry about it. something we can do later. In 3, 2, 1, perfect. That's number 3. Number 4, calf raise to toe lift. Calf raise to toe lift. Again, you can use a wall, you can use a chair. You're gonna go up on the toes, and I'd like both feet facing forward. Put your legs about hip width. You're gonna go up on the toes for a calf raise, and then lift the toes into a toe lift. So one is gonna work the back of the calves, the other's working in the front, the shin splint area, okay? And this is gonna help strengthen the lower leg. Get ready, 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1, perfect. Number 4 exercise that we should be doing every day, calf raise to toe lift. All the way up and back. What I don't want you to do is stick your butt back like this. Okay, so stand tall, go up on the toes. Excellent. Movement's medicine, motion is lotion. Love it. Your body is loving every single second of it. You've got 10 more seconds. And every cell in your body is so happy right now because you're moving. We're meant to move our bodies every day. You couple these 5 exercises with a nice 15, 30-minute walk outside or on a treadmill, that'd be great. In 3, 2, 1, perfect. So, 5th exercise, look at your countertops. Yes, the lower the countertop, the harder the exercise. So let's get ready for some countertop push-ups. All right, the countertop push-ups, as I mentioned, the lower the countertop, so those that haven't remodeled your house, it's gonna be a lot harder. Or go into a room, or I'm using a windowsill ledge, the higher up is gonna be easier. So if you want more challenging, make it lower. Okay, or find a lower spot. You're gonna put your hands wider than shoulder width apart. You're gonna be on the balls of the feet, and I want you to notice my tummy's tight. I'm in a plank type position, and I'm gonna bend the elbows, and I'm gonna bring my chest down to the ledge there, and then push it straight back up. So try to get right there in the middle of your chest, and you're gonna breathe as you come down, and then I want you to breathe out as you come up. So breathe in your nose, and then breathe out. 30 seconds starting now. Ready? And go. Down and up. Yep, keep your tummy tight. Down slow and push up. So when I say slow, try to do 2 to 3 seconds down. 2 to 3 second tempo down and then 1 second up. You can do this on a wall as well, by the way. Halfway down, and this is great upper body strength, and that's what we're strengthening. Think about it, how many times we've got to use our upper body. And do you know after the age of 30, we start losing muscle, so this will gain some muscle. We need that muscle. Muscle's metabolic, you burn calories at rest. That's 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Good. So continue on with these 5 exercises every single day, 30 seconds each round, 1 to 3 rounds. Okay, so we just completed 1 round. Or if you don't have a timer and you want to do 10 reps of each exercise, that works as well. I promise you, your muscles are going to get stronger and every cell is going to continue to say thank you.